I'm Marsha Bradford. I work at Diversified Health and Wellness Center. I'm the founder, owner, and I'm a licensed professional counselor. I've been an advocate for mental health and for the LGBTQ population my entire career. The center actually started back in grad school for me. It was a dream. I was working in a hospital, and I saw the benefit of the multi-services that were offered for patients that were in the hospital. But I was really kind of opposed to the Western medicine model only, and I saw that the mental health department that I was working in was not getting a lot of services, and I wanted something more for those patients. And so I had this dream. I presented this idea as a class project, and it was a hit. And that was back in the late 90s. And in 2016, I met my partner, and we developed Diversified to offer as many services as we could all under one roof in counseling. And so we made it our mission right away to be able to service as many people affordably as possible. We quickly aligned with NAMI. It was one of the first calls I made when we established the center, because we had a large group room, large studio that we could offer classes and workshops. For the last 20 plus years, I've been working as a licensed professional counselor. I also work as a pre-licensed counselor supervisor. I started out in education, and it wasn't until I was in my early 20s that I had my own bout with mental health that really convinced me that I needed to be in mental health and helping others through their bouts with mental health. That's where it really all began. I went back to school. I changed my major, went back to school, and got my master's, too, actually, in mental health, and made it my mission from that day forward. And it was very early on that I realized I was working with 50 clients a week, and I'm like, I can only touch 50 lives a week, which is a lot. But I was like, if I bring in more people under me, if I can mentor and supervise and teach people under me, I can reach more lives. And within 4 years after I was licensed, I had a group practice, and they just got bigger and bigger. A champion is someone who fights continually for the honor of others. Being a champion, I feel a little selfish in saying that I'm a champion, because this is not just for me. My entire career has been fighting for others, and that is what fuels me. I couldn't be where I am if it weren't for all the good people that I work with, and all the people around me, and all the people that continue to fight for me and with me. And I will never stop fighting for mental health, and to continue serving, especially all of those who can't fight for themselves.